Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.6-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have that tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear, and moving to the front we do have heated door mirrors and turn light indicator mirrors. And moving to the front, two tow hooks, a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this turning into your additional 6 seat. You got a 12 volt back here, 2 cup holders, 2 USBs, plenty of door storage, and of course if you need more space you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, your parking brakes right there, and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 110,954 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You got your volume mode, playback, play forward, mute, voice, phone right there, cruise control, and your toggle for your screen, which you can go for your fuel economy, driving assist, settings, trip 1 and 2, and so on and so forth. We do have 2 cup holders there, nice little phone slot. This is storage underneath, your 6 additional seat with storage underneath as well. We do have storage right there, 2 USBs, a 12 volt, storage right there, 4-wheel drive, climate controls, 12 volt, storage right there, as well as above. We have our traction, hazards, and auto stop out of start. Music, channel, tune, so on and so forth. You have your audio, compass, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. You have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, and what phone's been connected before, apps, and your settings, such as general, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF38301A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.